Expository thinking, explanatory ideas, instructions and directions, processes, graphs, charts, presentations, definitions. Instructions. Teach someone to do something. That's what instructions are all about. They teach you how to do something. They generally are presented using imperative ideas. In other words, that means that it's a verb plus additional information. Take out your device. Open your Google Chrome browser. Type in Rachel's English. Click on the link. Choose a video and start practicing your English pronunciation. Remember, use many simple verbs mentally, practicing orders and instructions. Directions. Directions are expressed with imperative form of a verb, just like instructions. Now, directions are different from instructions because they are used to tell people the route to get to a specific place, not how to do something. From Universidad de Medellín to Los Molinos Mall walking. Okay, let's see the directions. Alright, follow my directions. Leave campus via Law School Gate 2. Walk straight ahead 5 blocks. As you walk down, you will see the mall on the left-hand side. Explaining processes, graphs, charts, or activities. Now, to explain processes, graphs, charts, or activities, we do not use the imperative form of a verb. To speak about general facts, we speak in present. If it's a projection, we speak in future. If it's something that began in the past and moved towards the present and stopped or continues, we use transitions. To talk about something that already finished, we use the past. Now, let's practice. Let's see if you detect the information I mentioned. Please take notes. BB Burgers 2018 monthly budget. Now we can see that this company seems to be a very good company because they have only spent 14% of their earnings. That means they have a lot of money. They have earned $9,500 a month in just point of purchase sales. They have earned $4,000 a month for frozen goods, and they have earned $550 for other sales they have made. So in total, we see that they have a total monthly earnings of $14,050 a month. They have a total monthly expenses of $2,500 and total monthly savings of $6,500. Well, the company saves a lot, and they have a good cash balance of $5,545 at the end. Definitions, explanations. Well, definitions are explanations that tell us what a word is, how it is used, and they give us an example. Definitions are not descriptions. They're not an image. They provide information to understand the semantics or the significance or meaning of something. Now, if we look at a dictionary entry, we find that they give you the function of the word. That means they tell you if it's a noun, a verb, an adjective, an adverb. These are the 4 main content words in English you have to learn, because if you hear them, you say them, you read them, or you write them, then you are hearing the main content. Now, pronouns, prepositions, conjunctions, interjections, and exclamations are other parts of speech. Dictionaries also give you a phonetic transcription. However, today, online or iOS, Android applications pronounce for you. And dictionaries also give you an etymology or an origin of the word. They tell you how this word came into your language. Now, they tell us how something is used too. And they give us an example. For instance, what is awesome? It's an adjective. And it refers to something that's marvelously surprising, or something that leaves you with your mouth open. Cirque du Soleil's last show was the most awesome thing I have ever seen. The performers seemed to fly. Now, I recommend, if you want to check a dictionary and see good dictionary entries, check Oxford Advanced Students Online Dictionary. And there you have a chance to listen to British pronunciation and American pronunciation.